reason why we make reels from start to finish is because reels are mostly for our non-followers. So Instagram has, you have your followers and you have your non-followers who are just all the strangers that are out there in the world. So I do not care how many followers you have. If you have 300 followers or if you have 20 million followers, it doesn't totally make a big difference when it talks to who you're reaching to. So I only have like 3,600 followers, I think. And I get people consistently reaching out to me through my reels. Even if they don't DM me through there, I just got an email yesterday or the day before that from a potential person moving here from Connecticut because they saw my property tours. And then they emailed me. And then I asked them, like, hey, where did you find me from? And they said from Instagram. And then we went over to your YouTube. And so basically they just, dug into everything that I'm posting because they saw a reel of a pretty house, which is the whole point. And they don't follow me on Instagram, which hopefully they do now. But that's the whole point of reels on Instagram, is to reach your non-followers. So let me show you guys really quick. I wanted to show you one of my account insights that show how Instagram actually works. And if you actually look at your insights, can you see my Instagram page here? Yeah? Okay. So this is a reel that I posted. And it only hit 1.5 thousand people. But if you look down here, it only hit 368 of my followers and it hit 1,200 of my non-followers. So that is the importance of reels, is that 1,200 non-followers saw my video and could have either potentially saved my information, kept looking through my Instagram, or, contacted me in some way just off of a reel. And this is just one of them that's only 1.5. Some of them go higher than that and some of them go lower. So if you come into your, you should have a professional account already. And if you come into your insights, so you go to your account and then you go to your view insights, you can see how many accounts by content type that you followers, look at that little bit of amount, and non-followers. 29,000 people I reached just in the last 30 days since March 4th. 29,000 non-followers that I reached through Reels. So that's why Reels are so important and not that stagnant post. Because let me see if I can look at my stagnant post that I posted yesterday. And it most likely just went to my followers. So I don't know if it shows insights on these ones. So insights on just a stagnant post. It went to 190 of my followers and 5 non-followers. So those stagnant posts that you guys are doing that are market reports, that are, a just sold or a just listed, no one new that doesn't already know about you is seeing those posts. They're great for your current audience to say, hey, this is what I'm doing. But when it comes to finding and reaching out new leads, this is why it's so important to actually look at your insights so you can see, hey, that stagnant post that I posted yesterday didn't reach anyone except for the people who already know about me. Okay? So I just wanted to backtrack on that so you guys understand like why I push reels so much and why they're so important, because of what they do and how they actually reach people.